The country witnessed the opposition display disappointment to the disregard to the motion of vote of no confidence in the recent parliament sitting on grounds of discrepancies. Reflecting on what transpired on the floor of Parliament today in a press conference in Port Moresby was the member for Hiri Koyari, Kit Iduhu.
I had received a letter formally advising us of the status of the motion, and in that letter the acting speaker was clear and advised that there was a discrepancy or discrepancies. And so on legal advice, we have opted to not challenge that stance, but stand by the position that the integrity of the notice of motion that we had filed is intact. We will uphold the integrity of that notice of motion and stand by it because that is the process the Constitution allows for.
However, the opposition maintains its stance to be the mouthpiece of the people, reiterating that was the member for Hiri Koyari.
So we are confident. Come 28th of May, when Parliament resumes, 29th of May, the committee will convene on this motion, and on the 30th of May, the Speaker is expected to announce to the people of Papua New Guinea that a motion of no confidence has been received, and therefore Parliament will be adjourned for this motion to be debated 7 days thereafter.
He further emphasized on the inclusion of possible imprisonment.
Failing that, if the committee or the chair decides to tamper with the motion or deal with it in manner other than contemplated by the Supreme Court, Section 23 of the Constitution will be invoked, and punitive measures will be sought from the courts thereafter. And this will, I want to explain what that means. What that means is that there are penalties to the tune of even imprisonment up to 10 years. I want to stress here, if the motion of the people of Papua New Guinea, notice of motion of no confidence contemplated by the Constitution of the independent state of Papua New Guinea is tampered with or not dealt with in contemplation of law, that will be seen to be in breach of the Constitution. Nobody, no one man or no one group of people are higher than the Constitution.
Natasha Rovoy, National, EMTV News.